in Daikoku now. This is the car park, it's the famous car park. So we're here early. This is to kind of grab some food, have a look at the cars before it all gets shut down. This M4 does look rude. Not only just that, you got an EK Civic Type R just over there, a Golf GTI Mark 5. Let's have a look at these. Got this little car as well. I'm not even sure what this is. This is badass. I've never seen that in the front bumper before. So I've never seen these indicators. Well, I'm not even sure what those markings are for. Damn, this is clean. This looks like it's in great condition. This must be running a 2JZ. It's gonna proper VIP style. That looks sick. Had our first GTR turn up. This just gets cooler and cooler, guys. FCRX7. It's his first time here in Daikoku as well.
Nice to see you.
Tam, Blue. How you doing, guys? So this is his FC, everyone. It's fairly stock engine wise, but has obviously had suspension work done, brakes upgraded, and then he's had it resprayed. It's actually come all the way from China, which is sick. Good that you have stuff in the car because it means you actually drive it properly. Like, that's fine. Cable ties, that's all you need, just cable ties. Okay. Okay. Oh, man. The dream is becoming true. Okay. Wow. Oh, carbon fiber here?
Yes, carbon fiber, like carbon fiber part. Like fake fiber.
Look how good that looks. JDM this car is, yeah.
Spoon.
Oh, okay, Spoon ECU, okay. Damn. Oh, there's a big convoy coming in now as well. Oh, wow.
Yeah, just side exit.
Oh, is that a side exit?
Yeah, side exit.
We got all these guys turning up now as well. You're getting them excited now. Yo, this is crazy, man. Yo, this is legit crazy. Oh snap! Drift Hunter!
Yeah. Here's my info if you need it.
Oh, wicked! Thank you.
Yeah, I brought him on.
Did you?
Yeah.
Sick. Okay. That's crazy.
Ken.
Ken, nice to meet you, Ken. My name's Tam.
Tam.
Tam,
Nice
yeah.
to meet you.
Tam.
We'll probably hang out for like 20, 30 minutes.
Oh, you're in the R8? Oh, okay. Really nice.
Yeah, but keep driving and have fun. This is during, the last of the day, drink. Because finally we can drink,
Relax, unwind.
Yeah.
For GTR.
Oh, nice.
So here's my friend that I've come with. Remember, you didn't watch Drift Hunter, right? Yeah, there you go, man. And this is my brother.
Hi. I love to meet you guys.
Yes, people, that's an SVJ. SV. Then that's another SV.
Right.
Oh, snap.
Yeah.
That was like the craziest thing. That sounded good. Lighting's really bad, but to be honest, you guys are getting the idea of what's happening right now. It's always so dark over here, but that was crazy. 3-day event. We just happened to randomly stumble across it. It's just mad. It's just crazy, people. That's Tokyo for you. I haven't even been out to see this R32 just yet. Mitsubishi's got his engine bay open. Gonna walk around. So there's the twin turbo engine as well. Bonnet was open on the R34. Here is the R34 GTR that turned up. This is nice. I'm guessing this is yours, right? Are you from Turkey?
Yeah.
Oh, Muslim?
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah.
This is very nice. Is it standard?
Yeah.
That's really clean.
You have a YouTube channel?
Keep it there.
I'm sure you said this car was stuck. Like,
No, the body wise.
the body wise is stuck. That's
It has
definitely
all
not stuck.
HKs and blow-offs and intakes.
Wow, that is clean.
Incredible blow-off sounds. Oh,
Look at that view, everyone. That's crazy. This is called Kami. Setting up his chair and everything. This is sick. Hey, it's alright because yeah, it's a bug eye. Ah, in fact, I've seen this one around in Tokyo. Yeah, I saw him the other day. I actually spoke to him for a while. Fairly stock engine wise, but he's done the exterior to it. But this is nuts. I have to call it a night now because we got to get up really early for tomorrow. Yeah, it's been good fun. Dude, I'll catch you later. I'll see you next time, okay? Nice meeting you. Will do, okay? Catch you later. Bye. Will do. Dang.
Distribution. Today we're changing gears a bit and working on the rear end.